Naiwan ko pa nga yung susi eh. Sobrang grabe. Grabe talaga. Gano'n nakalala sa labas ng bahay namin. It's overwhelming. I don't know where to start. Parang I have an idea, pero parang pag iniisip ko pa, sobrang grabe dami na. Kasi yung mga tools ko nandito, kasi lahat sila nagsaswimming pa sa tubig. Punong-puno pa rin. So I really have to make sure na wala talagang water sa loob ng engine. But from the looks of it, yes. Tawag nga nila Sharon Cuneta. Tubig at langis. Or kay Brandon Boyd, oil and water. And that's water right there. So medyo marami siyang na-intake. So we'll clean it as soon as possible. Kailangan ko lang ng engine oil. And then we'll flush it out. Drain it. Total yung head naman, lahat ng cam safe naman, so that's why medyo kampante ako kahit paano. So as long as this is a sealed system, somehow pwede ko pa siya iwanan kasi this is oil and water, so yung water will eventually go down and then the oil will go up. So mamaya pagka drain natin sa ilalim, yung water bababa na hopefully. Tapos pagka nun, pagka drain, lagyan ko siya ng oil, additional oil, lagyan ko siya nung mga pang clean, then nag-drain it again, and then finally add the new oil na gagamitin ko na. So I'll probably add Pertua again, hope it works. Same lang din yung gagawin ko sa transmission oil, so sobrang gastos, but it is what it is. At least mapagano ko siya. So actually ito talaga dapat yung unang ginagawa. Naalis yung computer box. And even before siya lumubog, kung kaya, dapat natanggal siya. Pero, hindi ganda siya tanggal eh. Fudge. Anyway, this is my computer box. So far, I think it's already dry. Pero, titignan ko pa rin. I'll be spraying some, no, not WD-40. I will be spraying this one. It's a contact cleaner. Kasi ang contact cleaner kasi is it leaves no residues. Fast acting siya. Tsaka clean sensitive electronic parts. Kidding aside, ano siya? Some people would use WD-40, the ordinary. Pero ako ito kasi, I think this is yung pinakamadali. Kasi any moisture matatanggal niya. And then it will evaporate immediately. So, yun, it's like hopefully nothing happened. So it's also safe in plastic. Yay! So ito na nga iniiwasan natin. If you see, sobrang moist pa niya. So syempre with moisture and metal, there's a chance na magkaroon ng rust. And when that happens, syempre masisira na siya. Daming pwedeng mangyari. So yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. We'll be spraying this with lots of the special contact cleaner. And I hope this works. I really hope this works. So, ito yung nasa likod niya. Actually, first time ko lang ito nabuksan. And I saw some weird stuff here. Parang, I guess ito yung parang hininang para maging tunable siya. This is madness. This is madness. So, I was able to spray the back. This time, ito naman yung front. So, ganito nakadali. Left hand. And so, we want everything wet para yung contact cleaner is madadrive out niya yung moisture. Tapos pag nawala na yung moisture, hindi parang wala nangyari. Ayun. So there's still lots of moisture dun sa kotse, kaya medyo kinakabahan ako. So hopefully tomorrow wala na sila lahat. And also I have to spray this one. Ngayon natin siya mag-swimming dyan. So yeah, that's it.
A few moments later.
So ayun, finally, nakaligo na si Asimo. So, nasabon ko na siya. Yeah, nakaligo na siya, finally. Yeah, boy. Well, for those asking, yes, robots and water don't mix, but no choice. So yeah, tatapusin ko pa siya. Unahin ko muna yung mga carpets. I'll remove them para mabilis matuyo. So far, dami na ako nasikaso. Other stuff dito sa bahay. So, okay na. Also mga sofa, ganyan. So, I think I'm done with the house. So, this time I'll move with the car. So, yeah. Kompleto naman sa gamit. Kahit paano. Bukas ko na gagawin yung sa engine. Kasi, apparently, wala palang extra na engine oil dito. Ayaw ko naman gumagamitan ng motor kasi fa-flush ko lang din. So, what I'm planning to do is and kung wala ako ng cheap oil, lagyan ko ng mga additives for cleanup. And then, transmission oil, ganun din. All the stuff na pwede, i-drain ko na. And then right now, yung mga, since tubig na naman siya, bumaba naman, wala namang additional dust or whatever. I don't know. I just clean what I have to clean first. Bago ko siya subukan i-jumpstart. So yun muna, I have to make sure na wala talagang laman. Also, ito yung susi niya. So nakapasok siya sa ignition and then CC3PO yung parang nabasa lang. Then yung key itself is still dry. So, ayun, okay naman siya. But since may battery siya and then grounded na siya, so umiilaw na siya mag-isa. Ayun o. Then the other one isn't lighting up. So mukhang kailangan ko siya buksan ngayon, otherwise madi-discarga yung battery. Plus, baka kalawangin. So, yeah.
1 hour later.
Sobrang hassle kasi papaliguan ko na parang bata. Kami paghabalan pa. Naghabol ko na siya, pinaliguan ko na. Tapos ayan, habang nagliligpit-ligpit at naglilinis ako, katambay. I-carpet ang bahay. So that's what I do. Pinapaano ko muna, pinapasync ko muna sila. So pinapa-absorb ko siya dun sa cloth, textile. Tapos parang after mga 5 to 10 minutes, tsaka ko siya gamitan ng power brush. And then ayun, power wash na. So ayan, interior muna ginagawa ko. Kasi pag bago sila matuyo, kailangan matanggal ko na yung dumi. Otherwise baka yung bacteria, yung na nagkakos ng amoy, baka magstay na sila. That's why minamadali ko na sila. And then again, ayun, chill pa rin siya, nod lang. So finally got them out. So syempre kahit konting part lang yung nabasa, inabsorb ng fabric, tsaka nung parang sponge na loob yung liquid. So these are nice, really nice looking, except for yung isa. Ito yun si right, which is galing actually kay Miguel. Parang kinabit niya, pero as it turns out, sobrang dami palang kulang sa ilalim. Wala yung parang pang-catch niya. So anyways, I'll try to clean this. So yun nga, bago matuyo, at least ma-penetrate na siya nung cleaning agent, chemicals, para mamatay rin yung bacteria. So walang chance na magkaroon ng smells after. So yeah, let's go. Sorry guys, I can't really show you how I do this, pero so far ganyan na naman. This is a mixture of yung pink additive and all-purpose cleaner, tsaka a little bit of ano bang nilagay ko dito, yeah, degreaser. So medyo matapang siya. Yung additive is para magbula-bula siya, plus it looks nice. So yeah, pinapa-absorb ko lang sa cloth yung yung chemicals. Then probably after mga 10 to 15 minutes, I'll probably start brushing them down using yung yung magandang detailing brush. I'm trying to let the material absorb the soap para yun nga, mag-penetrate siya deep inside, and then if there's bacteria inside, yung baha mapapatay niya. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, so ulan na naman. Ano ba yan? Hindi, passing lang siya. So, medyo magulo. Hindi, sobrang gulo. But, ayan na siya. It's all out. Na-save yung radio, na-save yung gauge. So, I took them out kasi nga medyo high moisture. Yung aircon, most likely, papalitan ko na yan. Kasi stinky na yan.
Ito yung bagong jack ni Emil, bagong bili. The Big Red. So, unboxing muna tayo. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow!
Gagawin bigat na! Oh my God!
Siya yata yung 3 tons. Oh! Wow! Ayun baba